Come. You have to wait. Lola will come out, okay?
I don't want to come out. I don't want to come out. I just want to go inside.
Lola's going home to Ballarat.
I'm going to the M1.
Who are you calling?
That's Jake.
Who?
Calling Jake.
Jay? Okay,
Jake.
talk to Jay.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye, straight away. Pag nag-ring.
Now I'm staying ring.
Daddy.
No, it's in ring.
Is it ringing or not?
No, Jake is not answering.
Oh no, he's not answering.
There's a candy store.
Yeah, that's for later. After dinner.
Who's eat that?
Actually,
Mommy.
Now you can eat it. It's not good. You made it. You made it. Food first, and then I will give you a candy.
We are going to the hospital. Gotta go to the hospital. Harris? Why are we going to the hospital? Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back sa ating channel. Happy Monday everyone! Nandito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan because we're going to the post office. It's early in the morning pala guys. And you might notice it sa aking boses and also sa aking mata kasi naghilamos lang ako guys at hindi na ako nag-ano sa aking mukha. So first day natin ngayon na ang ating BYENAN ay nasa bahay. And at the moment, Paris is still asleep. At kailangan kong pumunta ng post office kasi may kailangan akong ipadala. And napag-isipan ko, nagigising na lang ako ng maaga para makapunta ako ng post office by myself. Kasi later on today, may lakad kami ni BYENAN guys. Kaya ayokong mag-stop mamaya sa post office na nandyan siya. Kasi medyo nahihiya tayo na pag-antay siya, 'di ba? So, yun. Kaya, hindi ko nga nadala yung aking camera, guys. Yung gamit ko ngayon is yung phone natin. Magmamadali lang ako. Post ko lang yun, tapos balik ako kaagad kasi baka magising na ang ating baby girl. I know, hindi niya ako hahanapin dun, guys, kasi nandyan yung lola niya at super obsessed siya sa kanyang lola. For sure, pagkagising noon, ang hahanapin na yung lola niya. Gusto maglaro agad. But yeah, we will go to the post office quickly. And then later on, papatuloy natin ang ating vlog. So, I'm not too sure. Baka hindi ko nga siya maano, diba? Pakawat-kawat lang ang ating vlog, guys.
a few moments later.
Mommy,
You got beanie on? You got jacket on as well?
because I'm very cold.
You're very cold?
The last time I touched my food and it was cold.
Oh, shush, come on. You want hot chocolate? Come on.
I have my medicine.
Yeah. Oh, shush. Good girl, Mama.
It's mine.
That's yours.
It's not Daddy's one.
That's Paris's.
Is it hot?
No, it's not. Say morning.
Morning.
Good morning, lang Turungkoy. How long ago did you wake up today?
Huh?
How long ago?
Just now.
Did you have a good sleep? Did you have a good sleep?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Ah! Dragon is gonna eat.
Did you put the vest on her? I thought she's already dressed. Nanak. Drink na. Tingnan niyo ang batang ito guys. Oh. Nasa harapan ng kwarto ng kanyang lola kasi kakatapos lang magligo. Tapos gusto na niyang pumasok. Come here ba? Gusto na daw niyang makita ang kanyang lola. Come now. Come on, we'll change clothes na. Put clothes on so you can go to the shop with Lola and Daddy. Come on. Come on. Tingnan yung mukha. Shh. Parisya. Come. You have to wait. Lula will come out, okay?
I don't want to come out. I don't want to come out. I just want to go inside.
Come here, babe.
I don't want to stay here.
Come here. Well, she's changing clothes. You can just go in.
I want to go inside.
Hanggang Parisya nga eh.
A few moments later.
Tingnan nyo, nakabihis na, guys. Where are you going?
The shops.
With?
Little carrot.
Ano?
Yeah, I know the carrot's coming.
What's a carrot?
Do you need your blanket?
Yes, please.
Go on. Go on. Again?
The answer that catch me.
Hello?
I can't.
Yes, you can. Maybe. Oh, that's the other way around. That's why.
Yeah,
Good girl.
I want to go it.
Good job.
Well, the carrot's coming.
Where are you
Hi,
going?
Mom.
Shops.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Love you.
12:30 na mga pips. Mag-isa si Buntis dito sa bahay. So, umalis yung ating baby girl, daddy niya, tsaka yung lola niya. Pumunta sila ng shops, naglakad-lakad. Yung bagay na ginagawa namin ni Daddy Mike before na nahihirapan na akong gawin ngayon. So, I had to stay home. Hindi ko na talaga kaya, guys. Especially yung lakad na yun. Medyo malayo-layo siya. So, yeah. Nandito ako sa bahay. Nagpaiwan. I'm just gonna make, ano guys, nagugutom ng Buntis. Ano pa kayang naiwan niya? May naiwan pa bang? Hala, wala na yata guys. Ay, so, ayan. May naiwan pa akong isang packet ng banana turon. Ayan, so ito yung gagawin ko ngayon habang wala pa sila. Gagawa tayo ng turon. Si gutom si Buntis. So mamaya guys, yung plano namin, kasi si Daddy Mike ay nagtatrabaho. So, working from home siya today. So, yung gagawin namin later on, yung plano ha, I don't know if matutuloy ba, yan yung plano. So, we are going for a quick drive to the hospital. So, isasama ko yung mama ni Daddy Mike. Kasi siya yung magdadrive sa amin sa hospital, di ba? And, just to make sure na alam niya yung daan. Hindi naman malayo yung hospital dito sa amin, guys, yung kung saan ako manganganak. I'd say 10 minutes, and it's very straightforward, like parang ano lang, straight, turn right, and then turn left, turn right, and then that's it. Basta hindi siya malayo talaga, but it's good na makita niya kung saan para pagdating ng panahon, mga ilang araw na lang. Ayan. Oh. Para alam niya. Kasi nga diba, kasama niya si Paris and baka mawala. Katulad kahapon, medyo natagalan siya sa pagdating dito kasi nawala siya sa daan. Mahirap din kasing mag-drive na hindi mo kabisado yung daan. Kaya kami pupunta ng ospital. Para makabisado niya kung saan siya pupunta.
A few moments later.
Is this the way? Is this the way?
Yes. Do you want me to help?
No, thanks.
Okay. Yeah, that's the right way.
Mommy,
Okay.
you do. I will do this one, this one.
Okay, you do it then.
Response from forward to forward, forward, email back. and then we and then we
I will tell you when to stop and
So
to
it's-
have to
it
go.
goes through
What did you say?
basically 2 sets of hands, it does a
I
full
will do it
circle,
by
and
myself.
comes back to
You
Costco.
want to do it yourself?
If we don't get back to Costco, they do it on us.
And you're gonna tell me when you need help?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so.
Wow, you've done it well.
This one is going to be here
Where are we going?
in the park.
To the park.
Yep.
Okay, I'm ready.
Are you?
Yes,
So that would send it back to the investigation box, because that's where it's get
Yeah, I'm coming, of course.
Oh, get some vitamin D.
We'll leave Daddy alone.
Yeah, he'd be happy to have some peace.
Okay.
Ooh, there we go. Now, do we go Paris? Do we go left or not? I just do this up, so it's not there. You just do 2 buttons up, and that way it doesn't get caught anywhere. And just so we're all ready, just do your sleeves up. There you go, I can see your sleeves now, your arms.
Hiya!
Hiya. Well done, Paris. Oh. Yes. What you doing? Watch what you're doing.
Look at what you're doing, Paris.
Good girl.
it's another road.
It's another road. Lola's going home to Ballarat.
I'm going down the M1. No, I'm on the Westgate Freeway. And I'm on the M8.
Paris. You have to follow the path. Go follow Lula Nak.
Linda chased it wider.
Okay, I'm Ryder. So, but Lola carrying the sky.
Who are you, Roger?
Ryder.
Ryder.
Lola carrying the sky and you're Elsa.
Yeah, I do,
I'm surprised you actually.
Ryder.
I'm surprised that you be sky.
Come on, go open the door for everyone, please.
Can Lola carry be sky?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Usually
course.
it's like, usually Paris says I'm Elsa, and then I say okay, I'm
No,
Sky.
this in the boot.
Yeah.
Seat.
You have to wait, Paris.
I'm just doing the icing something.
You're icing something. You're icing something.
I'm just
Where's Paris going?
I'm freezing the monsters in my breath.
Okay,
Exactly.
if you say so. I'm gonna go to the hospital. Paris? Why are we going to the hospital? Huh? Because? Celine? Oh, alam niyo guys, sumasakit na rin yung tiyan ko ba?
This is my favorite.
Is that your favorite? I don't think you had that before and you're saying it's your favorite.
I'm my favorite.
Baby, let me show you. This is fruit and nut. Get the peanuts. This one.
Yay! I have the bigger ones.
How much yun? Nakalatagis man, anak. Kamahal.
I'll watch one.
That's too expensive. See, oh, $10. Oh, we'll find something else. Okay, ask Daddy if Daddy is okay with that. Go, ask. I told her it's expensive.
Huh?
I told her it's expensive.
Oh no, I'll show you different candies.
Candy? Yay!
Come with Daddy. I'll show you.
Mahal ko all you juice. Can you carry it back, please?
Sure.
Mom's here.
Get more.
I want to do it. I want to do it.
Okay, you
Of
do it.
course you want to do it.
I want to do that one.
Yeah, go on, you get it.
You finished with your yogurts?
Finish. Sure.
There you go.
Last one.
Good job.
Last one.
Let's sit down on the chair. Wait.
Here.
No, the
On the
chair.
chair now.
The green chair.
Who are you calling?
Jake.
Who?
Calling Jake.
Jay? Okay,
Jay.
talk to Jay.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye, straight away. Pag nag-ring.
Now I'm staying ring.
Daddy.
No, it's in ring.
Is it ringing or not?
No, Jake is not answering.
Oh no, he's not answering. Oh my god. Why do you think he's not answering?
Cause I love them.
You love them?
Yes,
Do you love Jake?
I love Jake.
Okay, talk to Jake then. Call again. Maybe he's gonna answer now.
Hello? It's working.
Oh, it's working.
Hello? Okay.
Hey, Mom.
Bye. Bye.
Tingnan yung kanyang suot, guys.
You want to put your shower, you can put it on.
Ah, ang kanyang scarf nilagay ng kanyang lola sa kanyang chan. Talk again. Hi, Jake. I smell like a dung-dung.
No, I just smell like a ding-dong.
Are you sure?
Hello? There's a candy store.
Yeah, that's for later. After dinner.
Who's eat that?
Actually,
Mommy.
I think
Now you can eat it. It's not good. You made you. Food first, and the other give you a candy.
Oh, really? Yeah. I'll brush my teeth. I'll brush my teeth. You gonna help Daddy cook?
My pop.
Luluto si Daddy, guys.
I
have this?
the popcorn.
Are we gonna have some chicken schnitzel?
not popcorn yet. After dinner.
Dinner first, enough.
Lola Karen said that the popcorn is not ready till tomorrow. There's no popcorn till tomorrow. It's not ready. Okay?
You're gonna have
So
chicken.
good.
Yeah, it smells good.
That's
You're gonna
corn.
help me cook. I need you to help mommy cook.
See? Look.
Wow!
What's this? Sweet potato
Sweet potato
mash.
mash.
Paris
Sweet
syrup, yeah?
potato mash.
I need you to come and sit up here so you can watch Daddy cook. And you can help me, please.
Look, there's popcorn.
Yeah, no, that's...
You can hold.
Yeah, but we can't... We have to wait till it's ready and it won't be ready till tomorrow, okay?
What making for me, Dad?
We're making chickens. Me, you, Mummy, and Lola Karen's gonna have chickens and mashed potatoes. Okay?
Okay, Paris?
Can you block her nose?
Cover your nose na. Kaya ito umusok na itong ating...
That's not too bad.
Cover.
Not too bad.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, no, I'm cooking them for later as well. This can sit in here if you want. A bit more.
Tignan nyo guys, sobrang liit talaga itong aming kitchen guys. Uy, nagkabunot na may kami lagi ito.
What's this?
I don't know.
Mashed potato.
Mashed potato.
Mashed potato.
Potato.
You wanna hold it for Daddy? Can you hold it?
Mashed potato.
Thanks, Princess.
I can't do it. I'm stuck in my hand.
Just put there.
No. I have it.
Skittles. Did you like the Skittles that I got you today?
Yeah.
Was it yummy?
Yeah.
Say, Daddy, I love Skittles.
I like Skittles.
Stickles.
Skittles.
Skittles.
Very yummy. What's your
Skittles.
favorite?
Mine says
What
ski.
the?
What's your favorite
Mommy.
color?
Ski?
What's your favorite color?
Mine
Skittles.
says ski.
Ski?
Toast.
What's your favorite color?
Skittles.
Honey, what's you like the red Skittles?
Guys, it's now 9:50 ng
Then
gabi.
orange.
I like green Skittles.
Ito, ang hirap pa. Anuhin, oh.
I eat
Ang
the
hirap
green
pa
Skittles.
puntahin dito sa bed ba? Kasi nandito ang kanyang, ang kanyang lola nasa, nasa lunchroom pa. Kaya ayaw niyang pumasok.
So Taki in the bathroom.
Anyways, yun na yung lakad natin for today. So, thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys.
So, thank you for watching.
Wasn't watching.
We'll just do a quick shout out. Shout out and thank you to Arlene Hoover, Tessie Diolanto, Janzi Pinay, Australia, Jocelyn Pason, Marie Vic Ampong, The Real Queen Tranja,
That's not fish. Frog.
Norhaya Dapat,
Water.
Lolita La Cuesta,
Water.
Emelita Gonzalez,
Water.
Efigenia Zarate, Melin Lorente, G.L. Serra, Alena Risulis, Bernardita Castrillo, Cherry May Ongayo,
Wow.
Michi Manalo, May Gao, Joanne Uwano, Ruby De La Rosa,
Shayo.
Terry Ness Diary, Faith Peredo, Yet Balino, Glorify Alvezo,
What's his name?
Red Sabial, Glenda De La Cruz,
What's his name?
and Christine
Green.
Namayan. Ayan. And that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. Why? And if you can't,
Bye.
if you can't, boy. If you can't,
Bye. Let me